Attention hairstylists, beauty, and wellness pros. Are you looking to grow and scale your business? If so, there are 3 key factors needed in order to do this consistently month in and month out. Number 1 is delivering a 5-star customer experience to your clients and guests consistently so they pay, stay, rebook, and refer. Okay, so the key word there is consistently. You consistently deliver great service. You consistently make them feel welcome. You consistently make them feel special, especially if you're a salon or spa, you give them that mini vacation kind of a feeling. And you do this, every time they see you, every time they come in, you provide them that exceptional 5-star experience, and they will pay, stay, rebook, and refer. And they'll refer you people that if you deliver that experience to them as well, they in turn will pay, stay, rebook, and refer. So delivering a 5-star customer experience is the most crucial thing that you could do in your business, at least in my eyes, okay? So next up is having client acquisition systems, dependable automated systems to bring in new clients monthly so you can grow and scale your business. Like if you don't have this in place, then there is such thing as, customer or client attrition. People move away, some people die, etc. And if you don't have, dependable systems that bring in new clients monthly, then your business will shrink. If you do have those systems, then you could, dependable systems, then you can grow and scale your business very easily. And the third factor is having client retention systems in place. So once you get those clients, go through the door, you have systems in place to retain those clients. So automated software and systems to respond to messages, follow up with clients, confirm appointments, which greatly reduces no-shows, right? And it all ties back to delivering that 5-star customer experience once you get them through the door so they keep coming back for more. Reason being is that most people's lives, unfortunately, most people's lives suck, right? They have great demands at work. They're not appreciated at work. A lot of times they're not appreciated at home. So when they go to see you, it is like their mini vacation. It's where they can be pampered and, paid attention to, and they look forward to that. And if you give them that great service and then that customer experience, that 5-star experience every single time they come in, then they will come back for more, and they'll refer their friends to that as well. And if you don't, then, if you don't have a consistent experience for them, then it doesn't matter how good you are, they'll end up going somewhere else where they can be paid attention to and pampered and have that mini vacation. So those are the 3 factors needed to grow and scale your business consistently month in and month out: the 5-star customer experience, client acquisition systems, and client retention systems. Nothing crazy, no gambling on Facebook ads or Groupon specials with the discount shoppers and deal hoppers. Just simple automated systems and delivering that 5-star customer experience every single time so they have someone that they can depend on. This is Al Morenton with Beauty Biz Makeover and Beauty Business in a Box. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Beauty Biz Makeover Show. Now I have a question for you. Is your marketing up to the test? To discover your Beauty Biz Marketing Score, go to beautybizquiz.com and see how you measure up. This is perfect for you if you're a hairstylist or beauty pro, work for yourself, and rely on a steady stream of reliable clients. It's completely free. Test takes less than 90 seconds, and you'll get a tailored report at the end. So go ahead and take your marketing makeover test at beautybizquiz.com. This is Al Morenton with Beauty Biz Makeover and Beauty Business in a Box. I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.